Welcome back to News Channel 18 at noon. Joining me this midday, Lori Bowerly, to talk about the Tippie Connect second annual gala. Lori, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
What can folks expect?
We have this is our second annual gala this year. It is a silent auction with networking, followed by dinner and a program that includes keynote speaker, and also like awards, just kind of a celebration of what we've done over the last year and kind of looking to 2011.
It seems like there are a lot of reasons or options for showing up. It seems like you could not only recognize what you guys have done, but also meet new people, as you said, network.
Yeah, it's a great networking event for, it's open both to the young professionals as well as the business community. So it's a great opportunity just to see who all's out there and kind of network and go from that.
The second annual gala, what you guys maybe change from the first year, or is it one of those things where if it ain't broke, don't fix it?
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Basically, we're sticking with the same format, having a dinner as well as a program. We've kind of enhanced it. We're actually continuing on to the evening to have a dance as well. It's upgraded at the Ross-Ade Stadium, so we're in the Shively Club room, so it's a great venue as well, which will help to hopefully attract more people to come as well.
Excuse to get out to the stadium, never a bad bet.
Exactly.
It's coming up on December 9th at Ross-Ade, like you said. 5:30 is when dinner starts. The program starts at 7.
Yes.
What should we wear? Actually,
the silent auction and networking, we'll have appetizers and things like that actually start at 5:30. Program and things like that should start at 7. So it's dress attire is a business dress, so great excuse to kind of dress up and things as well. Always a fun evening, kind of kick off the holiday season. So
bring business cards just in case.
Exactly.
That type of thing. Okay. One more time, December 9th, Ross-Ade Stadium on the 3rd floor in the Shively Club. Networking, silent auction.
Sign up ends tomorrow, so be sure to we can register at TippieConnectYP.com, TippieConnectYP.com.
As far as ticket prices?
$45 for young professionals who are gold members, and it's open to the public. Any other business professional for $60.
All right. Thank you very much, Laura.
Thank you
We
for having
appreciate
me.
it. Coming up.